We're back with another Char's World video. We have 3 new vacuums to try out. They are all used. They are not brand new. We have the Bissell Clean View Helix, the Hoover Wind Tunnel Rewind.
No, the shut way over there, because I can shut them from here.
Okay.
Over they made a puppy.
And on the end we have the Eureka Smart Vac, the boss.
And let's see if it really is the boss.
Alright, we have quite a bit of rice. Should we try, which one should we try first?
This one.
The middle one?
Yeah.
Alright. This one is nice because it has a rewinding cord. Okay, now it's turned off. Let's push the lever, and you're going to turn it on. That one did an okay job.
Yep. It doesn't look like it sucked very much because of the shadows.
Well, it was kind of.
Now this one.
It's kind of shooting rice everywhere, from what I could tell. It sucked up some, but not a lot. So, unplug this one. You want to press the lever on this one to show people how the cord goes back inside? You want to push the button on it to show people how the cord goes back inside? Okay, so we are ready with the Eureka Smart Vac, the boss.
What's the pedal?
Like I said, they are used vacuums.
Now, how did that do?
I see it went up the tube.
It went up that tube?
Now, this is...
Last up, we have...
This one.
What is it, Char? Do you remember?
The Bissell.
You're right. This one is the Bissell. The Bissell Clean View Helix. How'd that one do? I feel like that one did a really good job. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think it might have been the best
No!
one. Okay, so which vacuum do you think was the best out of the 3?
This one, this one, and this one, and this one.
So all of them were good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I think probably either the Eureka, actually probably the Bissell Clean View Helix, I think was the best at sucking up this junk. You know what you have to, what do you say at the end of your videos?
Thank you for the video.
Yeah, thank you for watching. And then if they want to watch more of your videos, they can subscribe, right? Okay, so they should probably do that.
Yeah,
You know what you should also say? You should say thank you to the people who gave you those 3 vacuum cleaners, in case they're watching.
That mommy is right.
Say thank you so much for giving me those vacuums. Right?
To give those vacuums.
Because you like them, don't you? Yeah.
All right. Thank you for watching.